I have OPPO F1 Plus, and let me show you how to perform the hard reset operation on that device by using the OPPO secret code and by using the engineer mode. So let's open the phone's dialer and let's use this code. *pound 3644 633 7 pound. Here you've got access to engineer mode. Let's scroll down and choose clear all right here. So if you would like to format internal storage and restore factory settings, let's tap reset the phone. And that's it. Right now the device is performing the hard reset. The phone is erasing all personal stuff and customized settings. Sometimes if the following code doesn't work, you have to input some SD card. It's just important to have the SD card inserted in your device. Now you have to wait until the whole operation will be completed. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.